guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can hide players and Dress to Impress. Okay, let's get into it, guys. I have joined the Dress to Impress, and if we want to hide players, we need to go to the setting. So we can click on the setting icon, and then you can simply go to the hide players menu. And here you can either hide all players or just hide specific players. If you want to hide specific players only, you can choose hide specific, and then you can choose the players you want to hide. And for me, I'm just going to hide all the players. So I'm going to select hide. Okay. And let me see it. Okay, as you can see that the other players are hidden from this game. Okay guys, and that's all the way to hide players and Dress to Impress. I hope this video will be useful for you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.